My head is spinning for this next play pack. Hey builders, Daniel from Toybox here, and today we're building Destructo Tops. They spin, they bounce, they light up, they destroy. Knock down targets and unleash the spinning power of Destructo Tops. Let me show you how to build them. Let's bounce. As always, let's check our play pack. We have the very important launchers, which will get your tops spinning. LED lights to give your Destructo Top a little flash. And finally, springs and weights to get your tops spinning fast and level. Let's check out all the pieces we're gonna need to print. First, we have the core. Every top you make will need a core. Next, we have the accessories. We've got the common and the special accessories. Special accessories lets you add even more accessory attachments or the LED lights. Next, we have the body of the top. Choose from one of our amazing designs, either a regular, spring body, or design your own. Finally, we've got our extra accessories and the spring tips. Let's start building. First, let's design our very own top in the creator space. Just choose custom body to get started. From here, we can start by adjusting the shape of the top. Simply drag the line around on the grid to change the shape. You can even add more points to get a shape that's perfect for your top. Next, let's add some flair. Just slide each category to add different effects. Maybe we want our top spiky or bumpy. Try out different combinations to see what makes your top spin the best. Once you're ready, pick your color, name it, and get to printing. Now, let's start building. Assembling a Destructo Top is super easy. Take an accessory piece and gently press the core into it. Then, screw the pieces to the body of the top. I chose the LED accessory, so let's add those. Simply slide the lights into the hooks and your top is glowing. Next, let me show you what to do with the springs and weights. Take the weights, careful not to lose any, and insert them into the holes of the Destructo Top body. You don't have to use all the weights, but it's a good idea to distribute them evenly. So wherever you put one, you should put one on the opposite side. Then, begin assembling your top like normal. For the spring, gently screw the spring into the bottom of the Destructo Top. Then, take a spring tip and screw it onto the spring. Now you're ready to bounce. Our final top is with the connector accessory. Build your top like normal and then add the connector accessory attachments. Simply slide them onto the hooks. Remember to keep in mind balance, but also destruction. Now that our Destructo Tops are built, let's take them for a spin. Let me show you how to launch your tops. Take the launcher and insert the ripcord on the side that says in and has the ripcord symbol. Make sure the teeth of the ripcord are facing the same direction as the symbol. If not, it won't work. Place your launcher on your top and the hooks should hold it in place. Then give it a rip. Remember, be patient. You might not have a perfect spin every time. You can also experiment by releasing your top at different heights. Oh, and don't forget to print out some targets. Battle against yourself to see how many points you can score, or take on another Destructo Top and see which is the last one standing. What fun games can you come up with? Did your Destructo Top spring into action? I can't wait to see all the fun you had with your Destructo Top Play Pack.